So I really wanted to do like a raw workout, mic'd up, actually walking you guys through the workouts. But even on a Monday morning at 6 a.m., Alphaland was blasting music to the point where it would have broken my microphone. So we're back with the classic talking headshot, and I'll just throw the workouts over top of it. But anyways, this is gonna be a full pull day straight from the workout program that you can find in the description below. If you want to pick that up to support me, I appreciate that. It means the world, but I'm going to be making every single day on that program into a YouTube video walking through it, so you can pretty much get it completely free. This program is what I use to build the physique I have today. In the first few years of my fitness journey, I was following this program pretty much one-to-one. Diving right into it, the first workout is going to be wide grip lat pull downs with a straight bar. I always start with a warm-up set and some lighter weight just to like get my form down, make sure I'm feeling it. When it comes to form on the wide grip lat pull down, focus on pulling with your back and not your arms. So a couple tips for you. The first thing is you're going to want to pull the bar into your chest and actually push your chest out and try to like almost attack your chest with the bar. Focus on like pinching your shoulder blades as you come down and really just trying to pull with your back. That's the biggest thing I can say. It's hard to describe. You kind of just got to figure it out yourself. You're going to want to have your chin up. I don't know why, but someone told me this a while ago. When you keep your chin up when you're doing lat pull downs, it's actually like you feel it in your back a lot more for whatever reason. I don't know what your chin has to do with it, but for these we're going to be doing 4 drop sets, 8 reps heavy and then 8 reps with the weight cut in half. I'm a huge advocate for drop sets because they're great to push yourself until failure. Not only can you get the heavy like progressive overload feeling from the heavier weights, you can also get that hypertrophy and the burnout from the lighter weights and just push yourself past what you could normally do with a single set. Anyways, now onto the first bicep workout, hammer curls. When it comes to biceps, I always like to burn them out with one heavy exercise, and then I like to come back later and do more hypertrophy based and higher rep exercises. These are pretty straightforward. You're gonna wanna do 4 sets of 8 to 12. I like to go as heavy as I possibly can within like reason. You don't wanna be swinging the dumbbells. You wanna keep your form good. But the idea with these is just to fatigue the muscle, get the arms pumped up, like get ready to go. And then later you're gonna come back and do some other bicep workouts, which we'll talk about in a little bit, to get more of that hypertrophy and get more of those like tension workouts going. So the next back workout is going to be seated close grip rows. I like to do these with a cable. There's also machines, but I've always just done them with a cable. These are more of like a thickness focused workout. So lat pull downs are gonna like give you like those bigger lats and that wider look. These are really gonna like add density to your back. You know, like the Baki back that I'll throw a picture up on screen, but like these, you're also really gonna wanna focus on pulling with your back and not your arms. Back workouts are so hard to describe over a camera. They're definitely the hardest movement to get down when it comes to like correct form. At the bottom of your rep, you're gonna really wanna get the stretch in. That is one thing I didn't mention on the lat pull downs. With all back workouts, because they're pulling movements, you're really gonna wanna get that stretch on the negative. You'll feel the tension, stretch, and then just pull again. Same thing with these rows. Stretch the back, let your back, like you'll feel it. Your back just feels like it's just like stretching and pulling. Then just explode into your next rep. Again, with this one, pinch the shoulder blades together, squeeze the back. When you feel your back like clenching and pinching like that, that's what you want. Squeeze as tight as you can, come back down and let your back stretch out on the bottom. Let the weight pull your arms, pull your back. For these, we're also doing 4 drop sets. You're gonna do 8 reps heavy, cut the weight in half, do 8 more reps. On to the next arm workout. Now we're gonna focus a little bit more on getting the burn going, not so much just swinging weight around. It's gonna be preacher curls. Now you can either do dumbbell, barbell, or machine. With this workout in particular, you're not gonna focus so much on weight. Who cares if you're not doing the most weight in the gym, you know? Nobody is watching you, it doesn't matter. Do a weight that you can really focus your form, focus on going slow, getting that squeeze in the bicep, letting it pull down, get the tension. So like I was saying, like the stretch with back workouts, When you're doing biceps too, you want to like let it stretch like that and get the tension, and then come back up, squeeze, focus that mind muscle connection on the bicep, on the squeeze, and then let it stretch back down. You can't do that with weight that you have to swing around. So drop your weight, cut your weight in half. After preacher curls, we got single arm lat pull downs. These are like my all-time favorite exercise to this day for lats. The mind muscle connection you can get on this is just absolutely insane. This is probably the hardest one to get the form correct on. With this one, you're actually gonna wanna get like a little bit of a twist. Your arm gets to the bottom and then you almost wanna like pull more. Like you wanna twist your body a little bit and really pull into your lat. Feel that squeeze in your lat. Let it stretch your back out. Almost like it's gonna tear your arm off, just letting that lat stretch, and then just come back down into it, squeeze, clench your body over a little bit. That's what I meant by twist. You're gonna start by pulling down and then twist into it like that, using your back. You'll feel it. Even like sitting here right now, I can feel my lat flexing as I'm just doing this twisting motion. Like I said, these are one of my all-time favorite exercises for just focusing lats and getting the burn going. Lightweight on these, I'm talking like 50 pounds, if that. 4 sets of 12 reps. Take your time, slow it down. Focus the squeeze, focus the burn. On to the next bicep workout. This is also going to be a good forearm workout. Easy bar reverse grip curls. You can use a straight bar or even dumbbells, but I think using an easy bar is best for form on this, because having that little bend on the bar just gives you the best like hand placement. I think with a straight bar, you have to have your hands straight and it can like twist your wrists in an awkward way. So I recommend an easy bar. 4 sets of 12 reps is what you're going to aim for. I like to use a 40 to 50 pound bar. For some reason, I have like unusually large forearms. Like they're almost bigger than my biceps, and people always ask me, what do you do for your forearms? I think it was these, because like I said, I've been doing these since I first started my fitness journey, as well as those wide grip lat pull downs. I've never used lifting straps, and when you get really heavy on those, even though it is a back workout, just gripping the bar and holding onto that heavy weight, you'll feel it in your forearms. So I think that's what did it. After these is going to be actually like more of a shoulder workout, but I feel like it's a pull workout. Rear delt flies. Sometimes I'll do these on push day or shoulder day, and then other times I'll do these on pull day. But when I was coming up and following this program in the beginning of my fitness journey, I would always do these on pull day because I always looked at them as a back workout. They're rear delts and traps. The form on a pec deck is pretty straightforward. You just sit there, you want your arms straight out in front of you. If you do not have a pec deck, you can actually do these with dumbbells too. So you're gonna do them kind of like lateral raises that you do, you know, with dumbbells, but instead of going from like the side up, lean way forward and go from in front of you and pull back like that with dumbbells. You're almost gonna wanna be like laying down. I didn't shoot a video of this, but that's a great way to do these if you don't have a pec deck. I know a lot of people actually prefer to do them with dumbbells because they feel it more, so go ahead and give it a shot. For these, you're gonna wanna go light to moderate weight and high volume. So I've always done like 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. The last workout on my pull day, I didn't actually get to record because my camera died, but it's gonna be dumbbell shrugs. Let the weight hang at your sides, keep your head still. You wanna like pull your shoulders and try to touch your shoulder to your ear. Like that, I guess. I go heavy weight. I like to do 10 to 15 reps. So yeah, that's gonna be a full pull workout straight from the program. If you guys are interested in seeing the rest of the program for free, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be dropping full walkthrough videos of the other days, push and leg day, coming in the future. And also, if you want to support me, you can pick up the program yourself. The link is in the description below. Just to be clear, it's a doc that pretty much walks you through every single workout, the sets and the reps, and then some tips and stuff like that. Also, every single one of my diet coaching clients gets this program completely free. Summer is coming up. If you guys need help losing weight or getting shredded for summer, you can go ahead and click the link in the description to work one-on-one with me for diet, nutrition, coaching, or if you're bulking too, I can help you with that. And then lastly, I have a Discord. If you guys have any questions about my videos, that is the best place to contact me. You can talk to me there, give me future video suggestions, or just be my friend. Feel free to join that. If you guys thought this was a good video and you thought it was helpful and it deserves a like, please go ahead and leave one. It helps me out a ton, but that's gonna be all for this video. As always, peace, I love you.